Hey guys, welcome to today's video. By the title, you know that we're gonna see what's gonna be the best handgun skin. So we're gonna start off with the normal, which you don't know my handgun. So let's go. Nope, I'm lagging. First, I thought I was lagging. Let's see. For this, I'm gonna use the default loadout. Okay. Wait, what? Why do I keep opening this? I don't know why I'm running without crosshair. Okay. But let me actually put up my crosshair because it's actually getting like. Okay, this is actually pretty good. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use the burst rifle because this thing is OP. I knew it. Okay. I think I know where it's going now. Caught it. using auto shoot. Wait. Let me use something real quick. I can tell he's using it. Wait. Let me use it real quick. Yo, I'm lagging. Yo, my ping is high. Yo, I don't know why America ping is so low. And of course, I'll give it like a 7. A 7's pretty good. So now we're gonna go up to the blaster. I'm gonna use the fallout because I know he probably uses. Oh no, he actually uses something else. Okay. Oh, he uses a rocket launcher. Okay. Let me use the load up. Ain't no way. Yo, this is so good. I think I know where we might be going. Let me see where you... Okay. Got him. Damn. That likes to get naughty. Yo, I'm lagging. Alright, okay. Okay, bet. It's on. It's on. Bro, I'm about to go eat toxic on this guy, bro. He wants to do it to me. I'll do it to him. I can do that. And he is. I bet. Time to go try hard mode. I was going easy on you, but you made a wrong decision. Bye, buddy. Okay. Come over here, buddy. Okay, bro. Alright, AD spammer. AD spammer? I got you, AD spammer. Spammer 24/7? 24/7? How about murder? AK-47. I got murder on my mind. We're gonna go eat toxic, right? Yeah, eat toxic. Wait, they're gonna get some. AK-47, I got murder on mine. Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey, do you spam on the thing in the last person? I mean, the last thing is the handgun. I normally hope it's good. Because I haven't used this in a long time. And I like when you use a... Okay. Ooh. I think it's... Oh, that's hard. That's hard. Got him already. Yo, no wonder this kid is an auto. You want to use auto? I bet I'll use auto. Y'all see how it goes. Now let me not use auto anymore. Of course. AD spam. No way I hit them. No, ain't no way I was about to hit that. Yo, no way. No way. No way. He's using auto shoot. So now let me use it. Cause that ain't fair. Should I try to trick shot him with the auto? I just want you guys on. No way! This thing is a 1 out of 10. Yeah, so the winner is the Blaster. So make sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm ITY_34 and I'm out. Bye.